Hey guys, it's Holly, and if you want to see how to do this look, then keep watching.
First, I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face, and I have been using the Saturday Skin. You know what, actually I'm going to. Okay, so now that my skin is all moisturized, I'm going to be taking my Baby Skin primer and priming my cheeks, forehead, and chin, not my nose. So next, I'm going to be moving in with my Heart Shape Tape foundation. Again, I don't support their lack of colors. I don't know if they ever made new ones. I'm gonna say that. And then, yeah. So, I'm gonna put this on my face. Okay, so next I'm just gonna I'm going to blend that in with my damp blending sponge. Okay, so now that that's all blended in, I'm going to move on to concealer, and I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And I'm just going to conceal under my eyes, my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin, and anywhere I might have breakouts. Okay, so I'm going to blend that in with my damp blending sponge. Okay, next I'm going in and I'm going to bake with my Makeup Revolution baking powder. I'm just going to bake under my eyes. Okay, sorry, the camera fell, so I'm gonna cut that part out. But yeah, that's why the angle is probably slightly different. So next I'm moving on to bronzer. I will not be contouring because I suck at it, and I really want this look to come out good, so I'm using my Hoola Benefit Bronzer, which is really good bronzer, so. Okay, so now that it's all on my face and bronzed, I'm going to wipe away my bake. Okay, so next I'm going to move on to eyeshadow, and I'm going to be going in with my Morphe 35B palette, and yeah. I still don't know what to call this, but I do know what I want to do, so I'm going in with this nice round fluffy brush, and I'll show you guys this hot pink color, and I'm just going to be going in my crease with that. Okay, so now that that's all, you know, situated, I'm going in with this brush, which is just like a flat brush, and this nice black color. I'm just going to be packing that on my lid. Okay, so this looks horrible. I had a vision in my head. I'm gonna just keep going with it, and I'm gonna go under my eye with some black and then fade it to pink. This is horrible. Okay, so also an attempt to save this look. I really don't know why I thought this was... I swear, I have a vision. I'm gonna be taking some purple. I don't know if any of these don't come after me. And just packing that on black. Okay, so next I'm going in with this purple color. Okay. So it's not the best, but I do think I know what can save this. Is a nice, this is going to sound weird. Okay, I'm gonna be taking this color and just putting that under my eyes. Okay, I swear, I know what I'm doing. I really don't. Okay, next I'm going to be trying to save this again with some liner. I really don't know what I'm doing. I had a good idea in my head. So I'm just gonna do some winged liner and hope for the best. Okay, so also still an attempt to save this, I'm going to be going on my waterline with some black eyeliner. Okay, it could be worse. It could be worse. So much worse. Okay, so, wrong palette. I'm going back in with my highlight and I'm going to be putting that in my inner corners to really just bring the attention away from the mess. Okay, we're saving it. Okay, so next I'm going to be going in with my Lily Lashes Miami and just applying those, because lashes save everything. Okay, I really think I saved this. Next I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight once again, and this lovely foundation brush that was featured in my last video, and I'm just caking it on again. Okay, so lastly I'm moving on to lips. So I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Lilac, and I'm just going to be putting that on my lips. Okay, so I'm gonna be going in with my next week's spots and just.
Okay, so this is the finished look. It's not great, but I think going in with just like not knowing what I'm doing, I think it turned out pretty alright. The lips are a little iffy. So if you guys liked this video, if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below some video suggestions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!